Good day everyone. My name is Arabella Castillo, your presenter for today. My chosen poem is Babae Ka by Ananias Montano. The poem Babae Ka was written by Ananias Ani Montano, a Filipino composer and musician. It is a poem that expresses tribute and recognition to women who fight against discrimination. It was popularized by the group Inang Laya, a Filipino duo that play patriotic song. Ang Tulang Babae Ka ay sinulat ni Ananias o mas kilalang Ani Montano. Siya ay isang Pilipinong kompositor at musikero. Ang tula na Babae Ka ay nagpapahayag ng pagpupugay at pagkilala sa mga kababaihang lumaban sa diskriminasyon. The poem Babae Ka by A. Montano is a tribute to the strength and resilience of women who are often marginalized and underestimated in society. Ang Tulang Babae Ka ni A. Montano ay isang pagpupugay sa lakas at katatagan ng mga kababaihan na kadalasang naiipit at minamaliit ng lipunan. Babae Ka by Ananias Ani Montano. Babae ka, hinahangad sinasamba, ipinagtatanggol, ikaw na may walang laya. Ang daigdig mong lagi nang nasa tahanan, ganda lang ang pakinabang, sa buhay walang alam. Napatunayan mo, kaya mong ipaglaban, ang iyong karapatan at ganap na kalayaan. Ang pinto ng pag-unlad, sa'yo'y laging nakasara, harapin mo, buksan mo, ibangon ang iyong pagkatao. In the first stanza, the author acknowledged the admiration and worship that women receive, while also highlighting the fact that women are often oppressed and denied freedom. Women's worlds are limited to the confines of their homes, and their only value seems to be in their beauty. The author encouraged women to stand up for their rights and fights for their complete freedom. Ang sinasabi po sa unang stanza is, ikilala ang paghanga at pagsamba na natatanggap ng mga kababaihan, habang binibigyang diin din ang katotohanan na ang mga kababaihan ay madalas na inaapi at pinagkakaitan ng kalayaan. Binibigyang diin ng author na ang kababaihan ay manindigan para sa kanilang mga karapatan at ipaglaban ang kanilang ganap na kalayaan. Babae ka, kalahati ka ng buhay. Kung ikaw kaya'y wala, saan ang buhay ipupunla? Pinatunayan mong kaya mong ipaglaban ang iyong karapatan at ganap na kalayaan. Ang pinto ng pag-unlad sa'yo ngayoy nakabungad. Harapin mo, buksan mo, ibangon ang iyong pagkatao. The second stanza continues this theme, emphasizing that women are half of humanity and deserve to be valued and respected. Women have proved that they can fight for their rights and achieve full freedom. The door to progress is now open to women, and they must embrace this opportunity to empower themselves. Sa ikalawang stanza, napatunayan ng mga kababaihan na kaya nilang ipaglaban ang kanilang mga karapatan at makamit ang ganap na kalayaan. Babae ka, dahil sa akala ay mahina ka. Alaga mo ay di nakikita, bisig man sa lakas ay kulang. Ngunit sa isip ka binayayaan, upang ang tinig mo'y maging mapagpasya, upang ikaw ay lumaya, lumaban ka. Babae, may tungkulin ka sa pagpapalaya ng bayan na siya nating simulain. In the final stanza, the author reminds women that they are often perceived as weak, but this is a misconception. Even if their strength is not physical, women have been blessed with the power of their minds and their ability to make decisions. Women have a duty to fight for their own liberation as well as the liberation of their country. That's all, and thank you for listening.